What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm shooting this after the rest of this video was actually already done, and we have two new mods we're releasing today, and then the rest of this video is me goofing around before the YouTube call out, getting ready, kind of practicing on some launches and just getting a feel for the truck. Some stuff I don't always do while just daily driving. Obviously, I'm not practicing launching all the time, so most of this video is just me goofing around, but I do want to reveal two new mods. One you'll get to see today, and the other, guys, I want to hear some recommendations. Now, before we get into the rest of this vlog, if you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy our content, and let's hear those comments down below. I want to hear what you guys want to see for the first mod, and that is we are doing new wheels. So not many of you guys may know this because this was revealed when I started the channel, and that is that these wheels are actually, they're only coming up on 2 years old. I love them. They are a budget wheel. I bought them off Discount Tire Direct. They're 18x9s with a 0 offset on them, and it gives a nice look, slightly more aggressive than factory, however, just slightly more aggressive than factory. I don't know how well this shows up, but the tread pattern is essentially in line with this fender here. Now they are a little dirty. They look a little nicer once cleaned up, obviously. And they're wrapped in the Toyo All-Terrain 2s the Open Country, excuse me. Toyo Open Country All-Terrain 2s. Great tire, love it. I love this wheel. However, so I love this setup. It's been great. It does well in the mud. It does great in the snow, rain, everything. I've really enjoyed this wheel and tire setup. However, I am looking for something slightly more aggressive. Maybe a 20x10 is probably what's getting the closest look right now. And I'm looking at all different makes for wheels. I'm not sure. As far as tires, I'm stuck between these and maybe the Nitto Terra Grappler G2s. Their all-terrain tire, which is actually what I wanted to get when I first did the setup, but they were like 2 weeks out and I could get these for the same price the next day, so that's what we went with. So I am getting rid of these wheels and tires, getting new ones. So let's hear those comments down below on what you want to see on our truck next. Now hopefully I'm coming up just fine. The truck is on warming up before we go, and this is mod number 2. This is a BD Y-pipe setup. I really like this setup. Some of you guys have heard me talk about this in recent live videos. Sorry, trying to maneuver this and hold the camera. You can see it is divided in there, so you have nice smooth airflow until it it continues when you hit the turbo. But the point is that nobody else makes a kit that has such a smooth passage for the air all the way to the turbo. There's room for turbulence in a lot of the designs, the factory one included. The other thing is your legs here, not legs, the rest of the Y-pipe hooks on, obviously heat wrapped. This was actually on Greg at Diesel and Automotive's truck. I bought it off him. The other thing I like is you have these big thick collars down here, whereas on a lot of the aftermarket ones you have something much smaller than this. This is going to provide much better clamping force. Not that the other ones don't do a good job, don't get me wrong. This is just a nice feature of these, is these big collars here. I do like them a lot. So this is the next modification to the truck. This will actually get done before the wheels. This is going on this week. Probably Tuesday is my next day off. I'll probably tear in, get the turbo out, drop this in. The other thing is, this, since it's technically 3 different pieces, you can probably change this out in cab. It might be a little bit hard, but you probably don't have to pull anything else out to change. If this blows out, you can probably change just this relatively easily. Who knows? I'm not saying you can or can't, but it at least gives you the potential to. I know I can reach down here on setups with turbos on, so I have no reason to believe I can't change this out. I'm not expecting a failure anytime soon. Obviously, eventually parts do wear out, but BD has a pretty good reputation for a lot of their products, and this Y-pipe's getting some great reviews online, and when you see it in person, I can see why. I do think it's the nicest piece currently on the market for 6-liter Powerstrokes. There's what's left of my racing number. That was a fun day. Okay, YouTube, so most of this video, again, this was shot prior to the YouTube call out, so you guys already know the results of that. If not, there will be a link down in the description to go check out my most recent video, besides this one, about racing at the call out as racing footage. Some of you guys subscribers actually sent me footage and pictures of the truck. Very much appreciate that, guys. And you guys helped make that video possible. My sister came out, she shot some video for me. You know, it was an awesome time getting to meet everybody and talk to you guys. Also, recently I went over to Steve at Hammerdown Motorsports, and we did a reaction video to driving his Range Rover. It's pretty funny, just mainly us just goofing around and having a good time. There's the intro's pretty funny. It was just one of the many goofy comments we had while filming it. We had an absolute blast, so go check out his channel. Again, there will be a link down in the description or comments to go check his video out. Okay, YouTube, we're gonna do a rolling start here from about 10 miles an hour. It's not a completely flat road, but 10 and... So I'd say successful first launch there. We're gonna pull out here. We're gonna get another rolling start in. $15. all for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. So I just wanted to kind of release something a little different. I was messing around and doing some stuff with the camera, trying to see if I can't get some pictures outside the cab and testing the GoPro mount on the truck. Obviously we were successful, as I'm still filming on my Hero 5, so that makes me happy that I didn't lose a camera. And I thought it was something a little different. I thought you guys would enjoy it. So anyway, give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below letting me know what wheels you want to see on the truck, and I'll see you in the next upload.
Somewhere amidst the smoke, barrel overrun.